with dreams, a promise inside. The road is uncertain, but we walk with pride. With faith in our hearts, trusting His way, we'll keep moving forward, come what may. From point A to point B, guided by His hand. Through trials and storms, together we stand. With trust, faith, perseverance, we'll see God's plan unfold from point A to point B. When the road feels long and shadows grow, we'll hold on to hope, and His strength will show. Every step we take, though the end's out of sight, we'll follow His voice, walking in the light. From point A to point B, guided by His hand. Through trials and storms, together we stand. With trust, faith, perseverance, we'll see God's plan unfold from point A to point B. Looking back, the dots connect. Every trial was perfect. In His time we'll see the way, trusting in His love each day. From point A to point B, guided by His hand. Through trials and storms,